Hey, quick analysis on Microsoft. Starting on the monthly chart, Microsoft has clearly just been ripping for the last 6 months straight green. And right now it is struggling a little bit. It hit all-time highs earlier this month, and then it's been pulling back ever since. Right now, I just want to just talk through what I'm seeing, and I want to start here on the monthly. So, first thing I notice is we have resistance right around here at 335, and we're currently below that level. That was also the previous month's high. So we're below that, and I think that's bearish. And this candle is also looking a little bearish. So even though it's still green, hasn't turned red, definitely selling pressure pushing down, showing that there could be a reversal. Just want to throw up the trend line so that it's there. I like it a little bit closer though. Okay. So now I want to move into, well, I charted, sorry, just want to talk through what I've already charted. I charted this double top up here as a level of resistance to watch. Also charted this double top here. And then I charted resistance, this zone here between this month's candle and that month's candle. So that's between like 335, 337. So I'm going to move down now to the weekly and break it down a little bit more. Inside week, seems like those were just going around this week. And what I'm seeing, between those monthly chart levels is that it's just kind of bouncing. So Microsoft is, I want to chart this here. Last week's high, closing high, is holding as resistance, and this week that was resistance again. So keeping an eye on that, but also just kind of watching to see if this 332 basically level can hold as support, and want to put another support level just right around here to keep an eye on. So I want to see if we lose that level, if this level can hold up. I don't necessarily feel like this is a reversal. Microsoft has just been extremely strong, but these are just levels that I will be keeping an eye on to see if Microsoft can hold. If it can hold, then I think we move back. We need to get over 340 to hold it as support. We can move back up to 349. And then from there, because we're at all-time highs, I think the move is that each level of resistance needs to just show that it can hold as support to set up to go higher. If we can't hold, if we get a pullback, we lose this 331 support, I'd watch to see if we can hold here between 325, 328. If that can't hold, then I think we can get the move back down to 318. Might stop here first, 322.50, and then 318. I do want to move over to the daily. Just take a look there. So yeah, definitely still rejecting that level, but holding support pretty well, like right in here. So I know these zones are getting kind of tight. And I think the idea is that we just need to wait for Microsoft to show us what it wants to do. Um, so we're, holding support here, 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 and here, and on Friday. Um, this candle um, looks like a dragonfly doji, could be a reversal showing us that it's going to try to bounce. I think this level will show us what it wants to do. We just need to see if it can hold 332.40 and get back above this area here, and hold it as support. So, um, yeah, that's just kind of what I'm keeping an eye on with Microsoft. Um, this is not at the top of my list, but I just thought the chart was interesting on the larger time frames. So I just kind of want to see how it plays out and see if we can break out of this downtrend right here. Just a little bit of a squeeze going on in here. So we need to break out in either direction for some clarity. Also, want to just take a look at what analysts are saying about Microsoft in the month of June. All bullish analyst ratings. All gave price increases up to 400, 370, 385, up to 350, up to 360. That's definitely bullish. So analysts are bullish on Microsoft, and to me, the chart still looks like Microsoft can be bullish. So, yeah, let's just see how it goes this week.